Ako po si Maureen Tandiama.
Hi, Marie.
Hello, good afternoon na pala.
Good afternoon.
Ako po si Robby.
Hi, Robby. Doon ka lang yan habang kumakain kayo. Saan po kayo sa Pilipinas?
Originally po from Pangasinan yung mother ko.
Pangasinan?
And then yung daddy ko naman po from Manila.
From Manila.
So, Ilocano.
Saan kayo nag-stay talaga?
Lumaki po ako sa Pangasinan. Pero, ano ba? Lumipat kami ng Pangasinan. Doon ako hanggang high school and then nung college sa Manila na po.
What brings you to Australia and what do you hope to achieve during your stay here? Bakit po kayo napunta dito sa Australia?
Well, I came here first kasi after my work sa Saudi, sa Middle East, naghanap ako ng area kung saan ako talaga, makaka-reside, build my own family with residency.
Kayo po nauna?
Nauna ako and then kinuha ko siya. And then, yun. Dito na. Australia ang choice namin talaga.
That's good po. Kayo po, saan po kayo sa Pilipinas?
From Quezon.
Quezon? I'm from Quezon.
San Andres.
San Andres. So far, na-achieve niyo na po yung gusto niyo dito sa Australia? Like, naging resident na kayo and stuff like that?
Awa ng Diyos,
Oh, that's very
naging resident na rin po.
And the family?
And hopefully, makakuha na rin ng citizenship by next year. Sana
God's
po.
will.
God's will po. Sana.
With all the sacrifices po, nung papunta niyo dito, sino po yung inspirasyon niyo? Kasi it's not easy to be here eh.
Ay, oo.
Parang me, myself, bago ako makarelax, very hard.
Mahirap talaga. Nung mag-isa ako, mahirap kasi nag-start ako as student. So, coming here without like
Sorry if you don't mind, cookery, nursing,
nursing. So,
salute to the nurses.
grabe ang sacrifices din talaga in terms
Sino
of
po yung inspiration?
inspiration ko is of course my parents kasi wala naman akong kapatid sila and also him. Talagang yung gusto naming maka-settle din and then build our own family here. Pero most talaga po, yung magulang ko talaga. Ang laki ng sakripisyo nila para sa akin.
That's very good. It's very touching story. Paborito yung in-order sa Inasal Express?
Yung ano rin, pecho, ganun.
Pecho.
Pero kasi ngayon, for the past 3 days,
Puro karne.
manok, so yeah.
Sa bangus naman.
Kaya,
Choose to eat of how to be in love. Pakain
that's-
sila ng Inasal Express in love way. Game!
But full of emotions ka dito, my love. Okay? Oh.
That's so in love. Thank you
Yummy.
po.
Welcome po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you,
din
sir.
po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
And
you.
hope you enjoy the rest of your
We will.
food.
Thank you
And we have
po.
something for you.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Just a little,
very much.
knickknacks from the Philippines.
Thank you po. Thank you,
Salamat.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Salamat.